it sounds more natural.
Like, okay, sorry, Robert, before you get there. So my goal now with us is to, and just so you guys know, I did place a buy at 755 at 7657. I did place a buy. But okay, actually no, that's not the point. But yeah, so I want us to get, like, our goal now is to get more strategical. We're getting better with explaining our recap, what we're doing now.
Yeah.
And then executing those. The next thing I think will be, I mean, we should be I'm thinking that we should be nice. We're getting some profits. We should be our own customers first, you know?
Right.
Yeah,
Exactly.
of course.
So like, you know, like, and our own customers first, and do that, and we could each send whatever the account, like, see, like, Rob, like $500 or whatever, like you could just log into both of our accounts, Bovada accounts. You guys, you know, I would have to, you know, I would send you, and like, hey, Johnny, I highly recommend maybe doing like trading I mean, I don't know, it's up to you, you know, but I think, because I'm going to
asset, trading the asset, or we're gonna say,
yeah. Or I don't know, but okay, yeah. So whatever.
Yeah, I don't care. I to me, if you want to handle my account, I can care less, because I don't really. I mean, you know what I mean?
Because if you think about it, that's being the customer, you know?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. That's one. Regardless, like, for me, it would be more beneficial anyway, because I'm not. Really,
because like we're better at like you know how to use FTX better than we know how to use FTX.
Right.
You know, I know how to use Bybit, the trading, better than, you know, than what you guys do. You know how to use Bovada better. So it's like, but in order for us to, like, now the thing is like, okay, on your personal account. So our goal, okay, this is our goal. Our goal is to get better and provide valuable, better content on our video, which we're doing right now.
Mm-hmm.
We're doing this right now as we speak. We're providing better content because I'm going to show you guys the strategy. I looked at 3 interviews of these people who are creating it, and like the way that the best thing to do and what they're doing is, instead of pitching people, they're creating super dope content about what they do, and that's already going to create like a professional type of thing. Oh, these guys are pros. You know what I'm saying? They know they're super passionate about what they're talking about. I'm not even gonna fucking, you know what I mean? Like, they don't think like, oh shit, I invest my money with them. No, they should, because like my Instagram has always been about trading crypto for like years now, or trading in general, right? For fucking years. And I remember that, and I've had a lot of people tell me like, oh, like with no question, you know, girls, specifically girls, you know, like those girls I was talking about, and they're like, oh yeah, they're like, yeah, dude, like we'll give you money, blah, blah, blah. Like, you know, and she even said, one of her other friends who I know her too, at Talbot's house, she said, yeah, like, oh yeah, dude, like I would definitely give them money. So, and it's because of what the content that I'm putting out, you know what I'm saying? So, us being more active on Instagram, us being more showing what we do, what we're, you know, and then doing this, that's what's going to create people's confidence in believing in us to handle their account. You know what I'm saying?
I already got a few people that want to basically
give you money.
Give me money. Yeah.
So
but the thing with, let's say, we get money, right, for let's see that, right, I would have to go to Vegas to go bet it, compared to online, because it's just more pain in the ass online, because when you go to Vegas, you win, you get the money right there and then.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just better. It's just way better. It's just what I would have to do, bro. Because online, let's say, if let's say we're raising money, we have like a few thousand, right? You have to go to Vegas. That's how you get a better return, if anything, you know?
Yeah.
And not only that, I'm going to be able to network with people over there, you know, because a lot of people that just bet over there, you know? So,
yeah.
That would be,
like we won't take their money then, you know what I'm saying? Like we could just do it, like, you know, we focus on us being our own customers, you know, and then like we can market that, you know, we can market, you know, And then let's say for you, let's say if you raise, say, like you said, a couple $1,000, then yeah, you can go, fucking to over there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it would. Yeah, that would be the best thing to do.
So okay, so cool. So let's do this here. I'm gonna put notes on here. I'm going to, because we'll do. Okay, so what are the next steps, right? So I'm put. Where should I put? Yeah, I guess hedge fund notes. I mean, it's gonna be kind of. Where should I? Assignments, because like hedge fund notes is our notes from watching the stuff.
Right.
Assignments. I think I should create a new tab or something. I just don't want all this, because then it's like, how we're going to find the notes if we're posting all this shit right here. We're going to have to scroll all the way down. Because we're always on Discord, I don't want to put it on. I don't want to put it on here. Okay, it's 7, so fuck. Hopefully the Asians don't bring the price down. So if we go here, we could do that. We could put it here. This isn't even as important. We'll get done. Okay, I'll just put it right here for right now. Be own customers first. And once we get that, we can market that. You know what I'm saying?
True.
And we can market that at something that someone like obviously we're not like, in order for us to like, I think it's we're not gonna let's not focus on getting getting a shitload of money from people right now. Let's just focus on generating our own accounts.
Yeah.
Which is being our own customers of the fund, and doing that with like a certain amount of money that, say, like the average person that has in their account. Like a lot of people, I don't think have $1,000 saved. So maybe like a couple hundred, maybe $500. We could do that, where we could just fucking, you can just trade a $500 account. Everybody, instead of calling it, like you said, it's betting. Let's just say trading, bro. That way it's easier. And it sounds.
No, that's what I was telling you. I was telling you that trading just sounds
like
more eloquent and just sounds more organic.
So everybody trades, a $500 account. That way, we're our own customers. So, what do you guys think about that idea, or no?
Yeah, I don't
good.
So look, 500. So it can be 500 XRP. It could be a 500, whatever the fuck it is, or $500 worth of XRP, whatever. It could be $500 of USDT. Or we can start with that. Or I think 300. You think 300 is easier for people?
Possibly.
$300.
Just what do you guys think? Yeah.
$300. I would say so. You can meet in the middle and do 250. I don't know.
Yeah.
Because who knows? Yeah, who knows? To be honest, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Let's just do that then. All right. Let's just make it easy. 250. Okay. So we can do that. Actually, yeah. What do we have? Okay, so because I think the people with 250 would be more of a headache. I mean, they're all the same thing. I'm trying to think, like, not easier, because I was like, wait, not easier, not the average Joe, someone who actually has a little bit of money left over. I mean, someone who has a couple $1,000s saved, you already know they're a little bit better with their money, but maybe they don't want to give you a couple thousand. They just want to start off with 500.
Yeah.
Like these one, boom.
There's gonna be some people that are willing to do it, Like I already have a couple of people that are willing to do 500, So
okay, let's start off with. Okay, yeah, let's start off with 500. We can work that. Okay, we'll do that. Yeah. Okay, cool. And then so our goal is to go risk based off of $500. So our system, let's say if we're risking 5% of however much you're risking per bet, per trade, then that's because me personally, I'm going to be risking 5%, 2 to 5% a day, depends, but most likely 5%. I'm going to be shooting to make 5%. I'm going to risk 2.5% a day to make 5% a day. So that's going to be me. That's me personally,
Right.
So then that way, because if you do that, I did the math on that, and let's just say you have a 5 out of 10 win ratio, and you're winning like 1.5 times. So say one, meaning out of like 2 bets. No, let's see. 1 second, 2 trades. All right. So the goal is my bad. The goal is to make 5% a day. That is a goal. My bad. I mean, for me, I know that it's going to be based off your strategy, because remember I told you guys like the weekly goal, daily goal. I'm going to go over that, but like it's based off your strategy. But my strategy is to make 5% a day, and so far I have been doing that, like 4 to 5% on the XRP account, and like I made 533 XRP in like 4 days, which is actually more than 5% on an account that I have. So, and that's through doing basically just like looking. Anyways, I'll go over my strategy, but that's just I'm basically looking at moves, and then going in the smaller, like, okay, like say I already know it's going to go up. I'm going to go on the smaller time frame and just take fat risks. Boom, they're taking my money out.
Yeah, exactly.
Boom, take my money out. Boom, take my money out. And so and that's how I've been able to do it. Be able to make more instead of going a little bit more longer term. Maybe like like I'll go based off a 30-minute. Oh shit, we got see, like right here we got a potential move up to the 618 right here, covering here, getting the liquidity. So I'll go on the smaller time frames, and I'll do a high risk on boom, a pump like this. Maybe I take, there's a pump. Here's the next pump. That might be coming. I did a 7650 actually is my entry point. So I'm already up, 0.010. And it's doing a little whoop you up, boom, little staircase down, up. So, anyways, that's how I've been able to do it and feel good about myself. So I can go in and out instead of leaving a trade, like leaving a trade open and be like, oh man, oh shit, let me take it out. Oh, feeling all like fucking.
Right.
Kind of like if you're watching a basketball game, you're kind of like, oh damn, fuck. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, true that.
So like instead of like, same thing as betting on one inning, you just boom, get in and out, get the next one, boom, get in and out. You got 4 innings or whatever, you got 4 quarters. That means that you can make 4. You got 4 opportunities to make money instead of just 1.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's how I'm basically doing innings, just like how you, or quarters, like how you're doing it. So that's my strategy, and it's easy to do 5%. I mean, for me personally, easy to do 5% because of like doing it that way, So we got that down. Be our own customers, start off at $500, right? Or 500, whatever. Yeah, 500. And then, so now let's go to our strategies. All right. So hey guys, let's, so you see the thing that I sent you guys on right here?
Yes.
Okay. So this is like your first cover letter that's going to like represent, and the guys, and like the reason why you want to do this is because like, watch, like my goal is for you guys to be equal partners and not to be just traders. Like I'll teach you guys, because I have experience in, with the business, you know what I'm saying, bro? Like with working with, say fucking fools that are pretty good at running business. I have experience with that. And like, I know how that works. I know what you have to create. I know, for that. So like this right here is like a cover letter, kind of like here, I'll show you mine. I'm going to show you how mine looks like. I'm going to show you how mine looks like, and then you guys, and I would give you guys ideas on how to do yours. That way you guys know how to do like the operations of a business too, how to create stuff, you know, how to pitch, you know what I'm saying? How to use your ideas to pitch and shit like that.
Yeah.
Instead of just being like a trader, you know? So like, if you're just a trader, cool. But then like, trust me, what happens when we're doing meetings? What happens when we're doing things? You're going to feel a type of way when we're doing meetings, when you can't do these type of things. You're going to feel like, I'm not really worthy of it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So you want to be prepared. You want to know all this type of shit so that you can be fucking, you know what I'm saying? Where the fuck's my shit at, bro? God damn it, you pussy ass motherfucker. Where's this? Hey, let me send it real quick from my computer. I'm gonna send it right now. Fucking stupid, man. Send that shit, bitch. All right. Yeah, you know, because we can raise more money, but then again, remember how they talked about how he said we can choose independent roles, like we can choose roles. Remember how he said you got the fund manager, you got the investor. The investor is a trader, so that's what it would be. You would be a trader. That's an investor. So I gave you guys an outline.
Yeah, I'm printing it out right now.
Watch, it's called investor profile, right?
Nice. Yeah.
So I called it the investor profile because it's like, this is like the kind of thing that someone would see, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here's my CrypSmart trading strategy, right? So like someone's investing, this is what they get to see. How do I make investors money? I buy, sell cryptocurrencies. I specialize in trading XRP. I buy at low price. I buy at a low price and sell at a higher price and keep the remaining as profit. Right. So I buy XRP at 70 cents. I sell it at 72. I keep the 2 cents as profit. I combine data and chart analytics to make highly educated decisions that will result in a winning ratio of 65%, that's how I looked at the back of my trades over the course of 2 months. And that's what it was. I won 65. Basically, I win 65 out of 100 times. And it's getting better as I learn, because bro, I'm fucking going all in on the XRP and learning it. And literally, you can apply this. Hey, just so you know, too, Johnny, you can apply the same trading that you're doing right now, just on lower time frames to get more opportunities. You know.
That's exactly what I was thinking about. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Hey, bro, I'm telling you, it's the exact same thing. It's fractals all over the place. It's fucking the same thing, but just more exciting because you get to fucking be in the action every single day. You know.
Yeah, true that.
And you have more opportunities. You know, like so. It basically means it. Yeah. Okay. So. I think once there's like hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars, if not, or, you know, in the tens of thousands of dollars into the account, and it doesn't even need to be, but I would say in the hundreds of thousands that swing, because you can do, there's the best traders do swing trading and they do intraday trades, you know?
Yeah. Seriously.
So like, there's this, just so you guys know, there's a company that does, because bro, when I started doing Forex, this is big in Forex trading. They give you, it's called account management. It's when you manage people's accounts and you put money. Like I did this shit like in 2017. I did this shit, bro. That's when I first got into trading. I ended up putting $5,000 in an account, and I paid for account management. They never did it because they had to download their system and they can basically trade for you. They create, it's a system that gets created that you download and they trade for you. It's really, really cool. So I've been knowing about this type of shit. And like one of the best guys, what they do is they do long-term trading. They do like weekly, they do swing trades weekly, and then they go intraday. So anyways, yeah. So, and then what I've been doing is before I've been trading, I've been Roger Banks. I just look at his shit because he's a really good trader. And he's the one that kind of got me to put the balls up to start risking to the goal to make 5% a day. And,
yeah.
And like, it's been working anyway. So, okay, so let's go. So let's go back to this. So how do I make investors money? I buy and sell cryptocurrencies. You know, I sports trade NBA games and MLB, but I specialize in NBA. I, you know, with my knowledge of experience, I I watch the games and I use my experience to see who's going to win a certain inning, certain quarters, or who's going to win the game. I use a combination. No, actually, that's a strange trend right here. So Robert, I do sports trading. I specialize in NBA. I look at sports. I look at NBA games and see who's going to win innings or the whole game. And I use my education. I use my experience and my however long experience you have looking at games and watch the games live to make decisions. And I win this many times out of this many times. So why I chose, which I should why I should have put why we, but whatever. This is just an individual. I made one from individual. Why I chose to trade cryptocurrency, why I chose to trade sports, why I chose to trade, NBA, whatever, So that's what you would have to write on yours. Cryptocurrency is digital money and it's being implemented all over the world by the biggest countries. And also, Johnny, I don't want you to copy this one, that way we can all make, use it. I'm gonna send it to you guys, use it, but don't make sure that you create your own ideas. That way, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, of course.
That way you guys have you can, that way you guys, you build that part of the muscle, you know what I'm saying? Because this is what I'm doing, bro. I'm building this part of the muscle all the time, This is the best stuff. This one is actually way better, guys, just so you guys know. There's your skill, right? Which is what you guys are doing. And then there's building. And what we need to work on is building. That's what we need to work on because we already spent a bunch of time on skills. Now we need to work on building. The building aspect is building a business, building shit, that's what it is. That's actually the profitable one.
The
people that make the most money are builders, not the skilled people. It's builders, just so you guys know. Builders are the ones that make the most money, the life-changing money. It's not the skilled people. Like the ones who are making the most money are NBA sport owners. They're the ones who built the structure and own the team. The skilled players aren't making as much as the owners, I think, maybe they are, maybe they're not, but I don't think that, so that's just to put in perspective, it's a CEO. This is basically what we're learning is the CEO job. That's what we're learning.
Right.
And I want us all to be able to train that, you know what I'm saying? Which is why I'm pushing for these exercises and stuff like that. Okay. So cryptocurrency is digital money and it's being implemented all over the world by the biggest countries. Crypto is the talk of the town. All the major banks and institutions have either invested in it or are waiting to do so once regulation comes in. Once regulation comes in, the opportunity to make money in crypto will be enormous. This gives us low prices. This gives us low prices. Damn it. Prices and also gives price a chance to move up and down to take advantage. So basically what it said, it's giving us low prices right now compared to the future because we're still very early. And also there's volatility, meaning price goes up and down a lot. So since price goes up and down a lot, that gives us more chances to buy low, sell high, low, sell high, which is volatility. But I try to make it easier for people to understand. This is not, we don't want to, this is simple. This is something that we can forward to someone. And then all of us complete this. And then now we have the investor profiles for CrypSports fund. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
So that way we have our, God damn it, why is it getting so hot, my baby? That way we have our three portfolio investor pro. Hey Robert, just so you know, you're muted. But that way we have our three investor profiles. So once we get to that point where we're starting to pitch people with real money, we have the profile right here. You know what I'm saying? Here's the people. Okay, and then all right. So strategy used: I buy at demand levels and sell at supply levels. Demand level is a price level that is low. Supply level is a price level that is high. The investment strategy is simple. I buy low and sell high. See how I make it super simple?
Yeah.
And that's what we're doing. I use chart patterns, Fibonacci tool, trend lines, market cipher trading software, and altcoin alert software to find the best demand and supply levels to execute on. Boom, strategy used. Now, we're each going to have, this is just the basic. We have another, we're also have to do another thing, guys. We also have to define our strategy. This is just a simple, we have to figure out, hey, we use this level, blah, 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 so anyways, we'll have to redefine our risk management. Actually, this is our strategy. This is my strategy. This is the majority of our strategy. This is what traders do, right? So, and sports is going to be a little bit different. You have to word that a little bit different because demand supply is different, that might, yeah. So, okay. But this is what we do. Okay. So experience level of the trader, right? Esteban Perez started trading the financial markets in 2017 and spent over, this is all real. I spent over 20 grand in trading, education, mentors, and software to become a profitable trader. Esteban Perez currently spends an average of 7 hours, 7 days a week, studying the price of XRP and other cryptocurrency, but mostly XRP. Esteban Perez also has leadership management experience and was leader of a finance company for 3 years before he quit his job to pursue his passion in trading financial markets. He's also recently created a Discord online group for traders, bettors, but I should just take that out. It's just bettors and helping them achieve their dream, quitting the job to focus on trading sports. No, yeah, I should just put trading and sports trading. Why does Esteban? Okay, so why did I choose XRP as the main cryptocurrency and asset to trade? So right here, so let me break it down. So how do we make people money? Why do we choose this? How do we specifically, like, what do we do in that sector? What is the experience? And why did you choose specifically XRP? Like, why did I choose XRP? There we go. Look at that pump, bitch. There we go. So why did I choose that? There's so many different cryptocurrencies. Why did I choose that motherfucker? Where the hell is it at? Why is it hiding? Bitch ass motherfucker, bro. This is horrible. Okay, there we go. All right. So XRP is so why does Esteban Perez choose XRP as the main cryptocurrency asset to trade? Why does Robert Zavala choose basketball as the main as the sport to sports trade? And then you have to fluff it up, right? XRP is a digital asset for global payments. It can send payments with full transparency and in less than 5 seconds. XRP can be sent without needing a bank or any other institution, making it easy to send payments globally. This is the problem that it solves. XRP was created by Ripple Labs, a company that focuses on revolutionary technology for finance industry. Revolutionary meaning it's changing what, it's not regular. This is creating something brand new. It's changing the industry. Ripple Labs works with some of the biggest banks all over the world. However, Ripple Labs is currently involved in a lawsuit with the SEC and is very close to winning or settling with the SEC. This makes the price very low and ripe for an explosive price increase. Esteban's strategy is to accumulate XRP at a low price and sell as the price explodes to previous levels of $3.40 and is expected to go much higher. Price is currently at 75 cents, which is not, it's currently at 75 cents and it's expected to go well over $10 by the end of this year. This gives us an opportunity to 12x our investment in less than 8 months. So someone's already fucking very wet reading that, like, oh shit, all right.
Yeah, exactly.
They're sold. Once they read this, they're pretty much sold. And they're like, there's no more questions. They're going to say, okay, how much should we send you? The majority of people, I'm not saying all the time, obviously there's savvier people and whatnot that are going to try to be busting our balls or whatnot, Okay, but this is an example for you guys to see. You can say, why do I trade why do I trade Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin's fucking easy, bro. You just go to Michael Saylor's fucking videos and just write down everything that Michael Saylor says,
Yeah.
That's going to be extremely easy. So so what I did is I went on their website. I went on the website for XRP and I got all this information. And yeah, so this is my thesis of why I chose that. And so your guys' goal now is to have the same as mine. I'm going to send you guys mine so that you guys get ideas. And then create your own. So that way we have a investor profile for each person. And then after we're done with this, we're going to go over risk management. How do we handle risk? Because once we get to savvier investors, that's what they're going to care about. They don't care. People who know real money and like if down the road, it's going to be maybe in a couple of months to a year when we're pitching real big people, they're going to want to know risk management, So
yeah, true that.
Because they're professionals. They know what's up. So risk management, and we're gonna have to show, hey, we risk this amount, this amount. And once they see our risk management, they may say like, oh shit, damn, fucking, this is too risky. You guys risk way too much. Okay, cool. No worries. we'll create a different profile. We'll create a different strategy just for you. If instead of risking 5%, or 2% a day, shit, we'll risk 0.5% if that's what you're looking for.
Mm-hmm.
So in that way, like what they said on that training, you pitch people, and then whatever objection they give you, you can just create a profile for them.
Yeah, true that.
If they're like, oh, that's too much, or nah, I don't like, I'm not comfortable with trading XRP. It's too volatile. Okay, well, what would you like? Well, Bitcoin's is much better. Okay, we have that here too, you fuckface. So, so yeah, that or we can just create a USDT model. A model. You know what I'm saying? I can just create them. So, anyways, so do you guys have any questions on that? Does that make sense?
No, that makes sense. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the next thing is complete investor profile. Complete the investor profile, which you guys have, and I can help you guys build it too. You know what I'm saying? I just don't look at my biggest thing is I don't want to rob you guys I don't want to do the majority of the stuff for you guys. I want to help you guys. I don't want to do it because then it's like I want you guys to train those skills. You know what I'm saying? That's how my previous, when I worked at the company, that's how they did it for me, and I would always tell them too. I'd always tell like, hey, like, just tell me what to do. Don't show me how to do it too much because I want to fucking figure this shit out,
Yeah.
And then like, as you guys do more of that shit, then your executive skills start building. And then all of a sudden you start becoming a builder too. And trust me, when you're a builder, being a builder is much more powerful,
Definitely.
And it's much more powerful, bro. Being a builder is way better because it's like, bro, you can go anywhere and build instead of just being like, fuck, I can only do this. It's like, no, I can do both. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And yeah, so that's what Elon Musk is. Elon Musk is a builder, by the way. He's not just an engineer. Like, he hires good engineers, right? But what does he do? He's a builder. He builds shit. He's not just like an engineer, a software engineer. No, he's a builder. So we gotta build our building skills because that's where the real money's at. That's how we can all grow much faster instead of focusing on one guy being a builder or two guys being a builder or you know what I'm saying?
Of course.
Everybody has to be a builder and everybody has to be an investor.
True that.
At least for right now. And then once we know how to do that, then we can expand our own operations. You can hire people. I can hire people. Robert, you can hire people in your own division in the hedge fund or in the fund in the own divisions. So that way we know how to
10 seconds. Yeah. We got like 5 seconds left on this.
No, we got 6 minutes.
We do?
Yeah. No worries. It's okay.
Oh, dude.
I got you. No. That's good. It's good that you're on it though. That's good. Okay, guys.
Yeah, that's true, man. Makes sense. That way we can all have because a lot to contribute.
A lot to contribute, bro. I'm just telling you right now. I've seen it. I've seen, and I've been a part of where like one person may not have that skill and it just doesn't feel right. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, true.
I can tell you what, bro, since I already have that skill and I have that experience, if I was evil, I would just try to keep that skill and just be like, hey guys, I'll just give you the assignments and then not try to show you guys how to do it,
Exactly. Yeah.
Like 48 Laws of Power. 48 Laws of Power talks about don't train your people the full way. Make sure that they need you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm very aware, bro. I'm a pro at all of that. I already know the psychology behind how to make myself more powerful and how to make people only need me. I'm not trying to do that, bro. I've never been that way. You know what I'm saying? Because I already know long term that doesn't work. Long term, it's better to have people be like, damn, this fool really this fool showed me how to fish instead of just fucking gave me fish.
Yeah, no, that's true, man. It's true.
You know what I'm saying? You get bigger returns and it's just better. So I'm just, I'm being, straight up with you guys. I'm showing you guys all this shit. You know what I'm saying? And and I'm showing you guys how to get there. And just because it was done to me too, like Chris and Fareed, the owners back then, I could tell, and especially Fareed actually, he does very good with the 40 Laws of Power. He won't show you everything. He won't teach you everything, So in my experience with people, they won't show you everything. They won't teach you everything. And to me, I saw that. I was like, man, I don't want to do that shit, bro. That's like lame. You know what I'm saying? That's like,
yeah, bro.
That's, I don't believe in that. So that's why I'm pushing this shit on you. And like
they wanted us to depend on them.
That's what I'm trying to say. Exactly.
Yeah.
And
that's what they do with everybody.
Yeah, 100%, bro. And that shit's evil. To me, it's not that's you don't get the most, you don't win the long term that way. You don't win long term.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
No, you don't.
So so one of my affirmations is, I'll push my team to grow exponentially daily. So, little by little, I'm gonna, and that's what I want you guys to do too. I want us to push each other little by little and work more on it. So that way, every single week we get stronger in regards to taking initiative, creating a new thing, a new initiative, creating a new initiative would be like, all right, hey bro, I'm going to work on developing on getting more people on the Discord, or I'm going to work on getting more people on, or I'm going to work on my marketing, my YouTube marketing. I'm gonna work, or and you can create a strategy, and you know what I'm saying. Basically, I wanted to so you guys are creating your own initiatives, and that's gonna be super exciting. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, true that.
We all have our own initiatives, bro. Everybody's like, okay, I'm gonna take it at this way. You know what I'm saying? And the next initiative for you guys would be to start talking about, or like Johnny, I think you would need to post more on your Instagram, right? Or no? Or how's your Instagram right now?
Yeah, no, definitely.
Because Robert, Robert, you did a good video. You should continue doing these on YouTube. These updates, and they're so easy to do, bro. They're fucking easy to do, because you just go on your phone, put live, and go on the video. Don't do it on Instagram. Remember, you gotta go on the video so that we can put it on all your shit.
On the platform.
Yeah, the videos,
yeah, like
the shorts,
yeah. Listen right here, attention, free point, prop picks for the, just quick videos like that. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah.
Or you're sitting down or whatever, or you're at Starbucks and you can have your tripod, put that shit out, boom, hey, blah, blah, shit on it. And then you could do a bunch of different type of ones. So just keep on doing those type of ones. And then like, bro, all you gotta do, focus, like literally, it's do it in the morning when you have a lot of energy, fucking drink some coffee, whatever, listen to music, and you're all pumped. And then that's what I did. And then do videos. And I did like fucking 3 weeks worth of videos in one day, bro. Just boom, boom, next, boom, boom, next, boom, next. And just keep, you know what I'm saying? And it doesn't all need to be sports betting. It could just be you fucking around being a dumbass. It could be this, it could be that, it could be that. And it's just you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, true.
So I would say the next initiative just is so, okay, this is the reason why the next initiative is going to be using video on iPhone and making videos. Why? Because we're going to recycle those. So you're going to post, and then I'll share yours on my Instagram and on my Facebook. I'll share Johnny's, I'll share Robert's, and then you guys share mine. And we're going to be like, they're like recycling it. And then we'll get followers from each, and then it's going to be like, oh, damn, these guys are like a real team. And then
exactly.
that's going to get people to start, what do these guys do? What are they going to, and then after a while, once they do that, we have a catalog of videos, and I changed it. Guys, we'll do another one. I changed it too. Oh, come on. We got less than a minute. Fuck you. Bitch ass motherfucker, man. Stupid ass 40 minutes, man. These are horrible. We need a short Zoom. Bitch ass motherfuckers, bro. Stupid, man. I got a new subscriber. Nice. I went back to my old videos, Hawaii vacation, and I just started posting. I went back to my old videos on Worry. I started posting that. You know what I'm saying?